So cipher method is one of the important method in a crypto system. So we'll learn this now. So in the cipher method, there are two types of encrypting the plain text. One is bit stream method, another is the block stream method. Okay, bit stream means each bit in a plain text is transformed into a cipher bit, one bit at a time. Okay, so one bit at a time they will transform. Block means they will consider the message, means whatever the message is there, that they will divide it into the blocks of fixed size. Okay, so the size may vary from 8, 16, 32 or 64, depends upon the length of the message. So there are two types of streamings. So one is bit stream method, another is the block stream method of encrypting the plain text in the cipher mode. Okay, so nextly, which are the methods we'll be using in bitstream as well as the blockstream method. In bitstream method, we are using the algorithms functions like a exclusive XOR operation. Exclusive XOR means what? We will be doing like this. So 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 0. Okay, if this is the option, so whenever the value bits are different, then the value is 1, otherwise it is 0. So this operation is called XOR operation. Representation is plus with the circle on it. Okay, this is called XOR operation. Okay, next one is whereas a block method can uses substitution method, transposition method, XOR or combination of all the methods. Okay, so now there are two types, bit stream and block stream. Bit means bit by bit we will transmit. Block means we will divide the message into a blocks of fixed size. Okay, now in this there are different types. So firstly we will see the substitution method. Okay, in which, what is substitution technique means? In which the letter of the plain text are replaced by the other letters. Okay, or the number or a symbol. Now there are two types. Monoalphabetic substitution. Monoalphabetic means only one alphabet we are shifting with the another one. One by one we will be doing. Okay, next one is polyalphabetic. Here substitution will be using two or more alphabet at a time. Means we will consider two alphabet at a time and that we will change into some other alphabet. Okay, now this is a one of the method, Caesar cipher or a shift cipher. This is like a mono alphabetic cipher, means one bit we are changing into another one bit at a time. Okay, so this was done by Julius Caesar. Okay, he is the scientist who invented this method, and the Caesar cipher involves replacing each letter of alphabet with a letter standing in the third place. Okay, so this is an example they are given. Pay more money. Okay, pay more money, and the key, third place they are given. So K is considered as a 3 year. Okay, so P, if you see the P was shifted into S. Why? Because third position, after this one which is in the third position, that letter they will be shifted here. Okay, so P, leaving that 1 2 3, third position which is there, S is there, so S was replaced. Again A, after A, third position 1 2 3 D. Okay, next one is Y. So Y was replaced with the third position. So 1, repeating again 2 3. So B was replaced. Okay, like this shifting is called a Caesar cipher or a shift cipher. That is one of the monoalphabetic substitution technique. Okay, now this thing is a representation of how the conversion cipher text is converted. Okay, so cipher text is converted by, see, cipher text is equals to encryption of plain text, which is equals to plain text plus key. The key here they are considered as 3. Key may vary. Okay, and mod 26, why 26 means total number of alphabets is 26. So we are converting the plain text. Text ಏನidyo ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು converting it into a cipher text. What is cipher text means? It is an encoded message which no one can able to read it. Okay, cipher, what is cryptography means? We are changing the text into a some secret coding. ಅದನ್ನು ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರು ಓದೋಕ್ಕಾಗಬಾರ್ದು, ಆ ಥರ ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಥರ ಮಾಡಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನು ಸೈಫರ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಎಗೇನ್ ಸೈಫರ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ನ ಡಿಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಡಿಕೋಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್, ದೆನ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಅವರ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಟೂ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇಯರ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹೌ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡಿಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ ದ ಸೈಫರ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಡಿಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕೀ ಮಾಡ್ 26. ಓಕೆ, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಸ್ ಇಂದ 3 ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಸೊ ಎಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಸೊ 3 ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಏನು ಬಂತು ನಮಗೆ, ಪಿ ಬಂತು. ಸೊ ಸಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕೆ mod 26 is your plain text. Okay, this is a example of Caesar cipher. Now we'll see one example of polyalphabetic cipher. Okay, so polyalphabetic cycle means what, we are converting 2 or more letters at a time. Okay, so in this technique there is a one best technique, that is Playfair cipher, Playfair cipher as well as a Vigerny cipher. Okay, so Playfair cipher, what we do here is, so it's one of the best known multiple letter encryption cipher is the Playfair cipher, which treats the diagrams in the plain text as a single unit and translates this unit into a cipher text diagram, and they are based on the 5x5 matrix of letter constructed using the keyword. Okay, keyword means it's like a, based on the keyword only we are changing the letter. So here they have explained with an example monarchy. Okay, by using the monarchy keyword they have explained this okay, so see the steps they are given. First, repeating the plain text letter that would fall in the same pair are separated with the filter letter such as X. Okay, so first, what is the letter they are given? Monarchy. Okay, monarchy, monarchy. 5 into 5 cross matrix it is. Why? Because means 26 letters will be there. In 26 letter, 5 into 5 means 25 will get, and I and J will be always together in the 5x5 matrix. Okay, so that why it is called, it is using the technique 5x5 matrix here. Nextly, what we have doing, plain text letter that fall in the same row of the matrix are each replaced by the letter to the right. Means if they are in the same row, like consider E and G in the same row, then we have to replace E and G with the F and I. Okay, then plain text letter that falls in the same column are replaced by the letter beneath with the top elements of the column following the last. Okay, so if it lays in the same column, if W was W and Y is there, then inside of W we have to write N, inside of Y we have to write G. Okay, the next thing, otherwise each plain text is replaced by the letter that lies in the own row and the column occupied by the other plain text letter. Now monarchy, by using the keyword we have created the text. So monarchy, till here monarchy will come. After that, which letter is not there, that we have to write here. So A is there, so B, C is there, D, E, F, G, H is here, so I, J, K, L, M is there, M, N, O is there, so P, Q, R is there, so S, T. So left out letters you have to arrange here. Okay, leaving monarchy, left out letters you have to arrange here. After that, they have explained with an example. They given the text as meet me at the schoolhouse. Okay, meet me at the schoolhouse. Now M and E. See, M and E is in the same column. So what we have to write? We have to write the letter below it. Right. So below M, C is there. So C was written. And below E, L is there. So L was written. Okay. Now ME was done. Then ET. E and T lies in the different row. So first you have to write the K here because corresponding row above the T. Okay, so K and then L. Okay, again ME, so CL will be repeated, AT. Now AT, if you see AT, so in A you have to write R, in base of T you have to write S, so RS. Okay, so like this you have to construct the cipher text. Okay, so if they ask about this one, you have to explain with an example and you have to write these steps and which cipher it belongs to. Okay, means it is a polyalphabetic cipher, no? So that you have to mention and you have to write these steps within one example. Okay, now next comes to the Vigerny cipher. So Vigerny cipher is also one of the polyalphabetic cipher. Here also we are substituting two at a time. Okay, so more than 2 at a time. So what here we are using means 26 into 26 one character, one matrix will be there, means like one box, like a S box we have studied, no? So like that one box will be there. This is called as a modern vinegary table. So in this table, all the letters from 0 A to 20, Z they are given. Okay, A to Z they are given. So here see, A means both are A means is starting from A, both are B means it is starting from B. So you can consider row or column, both are okay. So if you consider this side as a key or column as a key, that is also okay, because it is starting from the same letter, so you will get the same value when you are matching with it. Okay, so now we'll see one example here. So what is the example they given? They given the key and the plain text. We have to compute the ciphertext. Okay, so key was D and plain text was W. Okay, so consider P and W. Okay, so this P and W. Okay, so our value is dw. Sorry. So the value is dw. So dw value is z. Okay, so dw value is z. So it is replaced with the z. Same ee. So if you are replacing with ee, the value is I. Okay, so ee is I. Again ca. So a is c only. So here c. So like that, by using this table, we have to compute the character. So this is also related as a mono alphabetic substitution, because here one by one letter they are transmitting. Okay, they are substituting in behalf of another one. So this is about the Vigary. Next one is transposition cipher. Here we are changing the position of the cipher. Okay, so here one technique is called Ryle-Fench technique. Okay, so here one example they are given. I'll explain with an example. To encipher the message, meet me after the toga party with the real French of depth 2, we write the following. So what here they given the depth 2 they are given. Okay, depth 2 means, see, like this, 2 depth they are given. So meet means MEEET, meet me at, okay, meet me after, 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 TH the toga party, PARTY. So like that they have encrypted the message. Now when they are writing, they will write it as MEMATR, first row first and then the second row. So this is the encrypted message after the Ryle-Fench is applied with the depth 2. Okay, and they have explained one more example here. And this example, see what they have explained. This is one of the more complex scheme is to write the message in a rectangle. So this one, so this part is our message. We have written in the rectangle. Okay, so row by row, and read the message of column by column, but permit the order of the columns, and the order of the columns then becomes the key to the algorithm. So what is that states that, see, they have written the data here, TTNA. Okay, so first TTNA, and then the second is APTM, then third is TSUU. Okay, like that key was given. That key they have sent in this order. Okay, now how to read? How to read means this message is attack postponed. Okay, attack postponed until tomorrow, 2 a.m. Okay, attack postponed until 2 a.m. XYZ they have given. So this message encryption is done based on again decryption they have to do based on this order only. First they have to write the message in the SEMEM format, and they have to take the keys in this order 1 2 3 4. First they have to arrange this order, then only they will get the plain text back. Understood, no? So here this message what is there, that was given one key. So based on the key, the message was cipher texted, that means encrypted. Now to decrypt it, they have to use the same key, and they have to rearrange the based on the key. Okay, then they will get the plain text. Same way here also, same method. So column wise we have to do. Okay, so this is the one of the example for the rail finch technique, and this is called as a transposition cipher technique.